chini chingia echura tumeka semirimo yao bono lichi yao na lieli etuka ya Gusii Star Shop ebyo gotoke miyomo cyo Kisii nigo yakoletere mashini chingia echo cyo tumeka segeka aserigo lirigiya nigo bakone mashini buna bono chikinga chi electric motors chi generator air compressor water pumps chi battery demolition breakers submersible pumps welding machines chi machine chogosona car wash machines electric routers diesel engines lawn mowers total tool and machineries chi engine egatie chi machine chinde chinyinge batalira seduka yabo imeyomo cyo Kisii asebare nene kurutsamo cya Kisii kogenda Kisumu asamagacho Gusii Plaza ground floor room number 6 wigo urusege runde nigorore angene bengi ya Family Bank imeyomo cyo Kisii naboko bakirisi mgwetera namba cyabo Gusii Star Shop nidukoregene asoko gure ibintu bigutumeka sige kige tambe asiri gurirense agerera
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'Gusii.
Omuntu muri nabono nakwariganiya semaragoba yabono tergo sangama naitokuwa na mange nandi kumulekerane mono aliabereka okolekana alirandake arachokolekana boigo asama tukari gusyo aigase Ekeumbu gya siasa gitukolera Jumamosi tariki 14 mu umutinyo gatatu mwaka wa 2020 nene namanga akolekanire amanga bobo nachika bulitangano kukomanyo mwancho muligerane mono no gwa kwesiko koyo kabero mukonyo mugavana we county ya Kisii Robert Munda ngati ngato chikobo litomono itukolia nimbwa tabagani ngazo yo sanga mono tokuwa na mange tomolekerero yenga neye amabodi na mange ruwa sawa Kenya amabodi na bange kurwase orongoro Gusii amabodi na mange kurwase county ya Kisii Kenya kwanza ngwana yabone liyeye bata yabuna munda tariko cyande kolenda sebono yanyarekane bwako bisiko amamochonsi amubwaterania omukonyi uyu kabayire bono omukonyi umugabano we county ya Kisii kabatene tabange ni go bayitena ko yabuna go ikako isiko inyura ngwane ntangani yabetene libuna mona niga tumege tobisi yaye ane mono asogutumia abakora imirimo be serikali ya county ya Kisii kogende kayaye konyara ko mukore imirimo kati yabo okunye gesima kati yabo ukamachombe amuna yande ikabana momocho nkwane ne kabuna monda na mulianania ane mono omusawo yomo ane chibesa shiringi chiri buchimi sana isato 800,000 oyora bono densi misati nanko mwali imirimo yata etwe amamo chande monde katebekana buna otomire Lucy oyibono talenta nsemo ya mache Wasco ase county ya Kisii nge elibwe myeyemo andake yakabana mamocho amamo chande mondo otumikire chinguru cyaye kumubwata mu muromo abo Robin Monda ayonsi abasena tabaka yetia ase bunge ngati ya mangato kumulekero mwancho muligerelia ase bono ine ogotumeka nokugania kwaye owo yakabero mukonyo mugavana we county ya Kisii Robert Monda oyo kabere mu bunge ose oyo ro mu bungo sa tumugranga na mu chief whip Savannah Sosoro nere ni go konyora airu ase senate achikoba kati yaba igereri ba Robert Munda andake senate gatuguterale nganeyo osoro akabe kwensemo nebe gati ibintu bi retere konyara kuvwe kinekyo Munda nakiegerete asensemeria ya senate katukigen oyo rengo mo igeri yomonene andake nere oirete goterania mabuli asinchire bwendete mwancho muri na boli mange ase marko yabono tyankorekania ase Ekeumbu gya siasa niterane nchenkuru ko Vincent Onyancha inde nabageni bana ase marko yabonje sanga amona bora karibu sana baheshimiwa nabo ni matendo nabalingoli ba siasa ase faida yo muri geri Ndizi TV kuroko kwa kwa buligana wochaka na kyokorwa ne byatane nsemo kwa karibu sana
ndiye mara sana baradi njasa baleta Japheth Achochi kurwa masire East Ward yego to Bowas constituency in Kisii County.
Right. Karibu sana. Ni mwanasiasa?
Mwanasiasa.
Mwanasiasa. Karibu sana. Wa Achochi Japheth. Karibu. Tubwata mugenda ndasa semo ya siasa karibu sana Ndizi TV. Asema ndio buligo Ndizi TV na bako twana kyokuru.
Biamono muralia. Siasa baleta ngoro kwa engineer Nyasende. Nkagera keroka. Ndweteri go maward. Sana boli rwa MC Marakabera. 2017-22. Makene biamono waso go chase.
Mwanchu muligire bona na siasa na balingoli ba siasa we baligire birogo by'Uburai. Achochi Japheth kurwase county ya Kisii na bego na engineer Nyasende kurwase county ya Nyamira. Bonsi aba mbajikuru kurigere kwabo gore yengane nengane mwamu yo wakesiko koja kabere omukonyi bo mugavana we county ya Kisii. Achochi go chaka munaye. Tujakera se ward iliyo kurwa ni maite ichube kaine ne ward ya ichuni. Andake tuligere lyango na ralia yakoreka na se ward iliyo kurwa omaite mu MC we ward ya ichuni. Gwikiri usiocha na iketi omuswado monene ase bunge ya county ya Kisii. Asogro ne kumwaka isiko oyo kabero mukonyi mugavana we county ya Kisii Robert Monda. Asasema ya uno mwana siasa na kyokorengane.
Nje anana mono igongo teria abantu ba Kisii county na bago mu musyo mugima engana yoyo minto mwesimira siocha yuko w'ichuni ward na babete na makosa manene sana ko take step yoko imbichi omweshimiwa Monda asengencho kwenye taranyora amara natakire ko biko. Yes.
Momocho kincho kuma mocharia gekogerere ni ganyoro toroboti buna omusayanare origeti kundruwoso irundu bichiba chiaje nenge chiri buchimi sana isto. Era kare ndara kore nogo ikase bunge county ya Kisii koboria na omukonyo mugavana otumekere bube abisia momocho kiabwa.
Okay, before I mean uyo Dennis Misati before atraikia magana ya ase bunge ya Kisii niga yaringe bya ara beka magana ya burunge ase no CID ichungusa magana ya burunge kero kende onyo walenga magana ya gana renge yeke maene ostari yake maene tinki sababu ke egedege ke family affairs ose yarenge ne no kubwatelia elinde obaso kyo mo gavana mo deputy governor Robert Monda. Yeah.
Igona mamocho sio chakolete wigene sebu
sio tena tutamo amakosa manne mo space ari bucho somo nyali bali kulichache paka nyali bali masa. Yes.
Kalimana gojala sore Mheshimiwa korose county ya Nyamira.
Yes.
Ekero kulige mana ya ase county ya Kisii ngiro kone ngoro yenganeye ya wikiri sio cha mo sio chuni wikinga na sebunge kogania wako sio komo konyo mukabana.
Ikwanta ketente benga asomo Gusii abeta. Wikiri sio jano mwemsi wijuni ward. Nakeroro mwemsi bakakolega siao. Karako choro gotiano kwa bole bukugoro batanga koroba bananchi akina usawa. Egente gatanda takwata bakaro mwemsi ase ebunge ya county ngelinga ntobate ntokoro kanga okwa site. Ende kyoko oversight na yasogetie omo deputy governor Monda. Akaroro mo MCA igo tukamangana because yo ikabana nchiang gente ketangani kawe kirabana nchiang chinga kichons mwacha diriana wa confuse na leko nyara kananga omwana oyo Dennis oyo lietu chibesen no Mheshimiwa Monda oyibona sogete karo kende bakaumira na no MCA oyo oyudi ward igonta kete kwatabanga tino chimago saro ne gasi okoro abuno bora ibotakeire. Yes.
Ilasema yao imbija sio chakora oikienganeye asebunge
sio chambia akoro ke akoro ntu gota mangana mange nande babatanga Monda kabatumaje batemire kuma one batemire sana ande aru mondore rudi simotemire kumurangiri gakwere ne libobe mangana manga so gatalia se senate babatanga nyamuka first lady governor Simbarati ngana rengora hamaka na Monda ikorende tabia kwenye achira. Yes.
Lakini first lady yago soera somo umugavana omukonyo umugavana
entaka kwate banga gende ngeja akeretia mangana ayabete ase ebunge ya Kisii county ya YMCA taka kwate banga gende kenge kwata mangana mangi ntumna banyamira kaya tokole kuchiana mangana chule ward ya buga ta Kisii county ngima taka kule benge bya maga kase na rojiji gicha cha kerete semo ya tindere kerese ya ruanete ke kama chikoro kinga maene serikali nera sabanta babake ba siasa igongamba tareta seket ne banga ni impeachment ya betali your critical thinking na karo kubwa siasa ya Gusii kuna wanenge ndukaro chikebe dale Senate chief whip mujumbe osikire na ndo yasemo ya UDA akotoke Senate ikorende ngiarenge byara kinirende negasi yakoro
igo osoro tabwati osoro nabata mocho goikera nase bunge kuchikobo mwegereri oyo kabero mokonyo mo governor county ya Kisii
ndakata banga osoro korokane ase bunge ya Senate na beko imbrengo umane gentokeria ngere siasa igo sio janere nyoro korete gasinge yo bo MCA akawa site akamya magoso rara tikatuma muro wa Senate kama so kina magoso because evidence yale ngo chibasitubire baka mpesa ngelinga negasi yakora of course lakini nende diswali kwa bali June ward ego segasi na kore because sio cho tumeke tu akora tukeke ko suro jama magoso ali ngelinga na ababuga ngake lakini rende una toigwele chinguma nyandra chibata boronge because nyino muntu Nyamira ngelinga kanyoleta bya chirare ya magosa
Achochi ngurole nsemo ya masige ngate nchiwe kene ward ya Ichuni
chiri distance
distance no but no ngurole nsemo yo na ne kagrete na ase buna yo mwana siasa kwa interact na siocha yero interact na umma msie kwa ward ya Ichuni timaze na ase nsemo yao asobo korri kwa ward ya Ichuni ase chense echo nkiora kwa ngoro yobo korri kwa nsemo yo tumakoirana mago yo kubike tambukero kanyara kurwandro musaya ase ward ya Ichuni andaka nsemo yao mokorre kyurate bwa koreka noro irtuma korigere lina gitambo kereka imogeti na emeri muri yaye mbiyakanya ko
bono bya mono sana muralia se point ingi kwa bolini and mo especially nje no ya pesa roka ya abuso mu chokeroka mu chokeroka no tuare differences ase mana dispute na mana Bobero ya ikada ya leta libera sana Gusii asumu Gusii ikada biche taringia imiseto ko sababa Gusii tuancha ne tuiwana ne tolete ubwama tubia na anene mono na inde torosie kurende torosie biashara bitu bikine na town chigendo yeah
igo engana tatokwana ne asobo korribwe ward ya Ichuni ekara no iragwe kena sensemejo maiga yo MCA atariki engane magendro kyurate bera kirani ya sensemejo elyo to makorigere na kid na maene ngurwanirare bari batari kwenyara buna bona basai
anene mono egento byo kakorire ase ward ya Ichuni kwa bakorigere kirangire town yo sumu chokeroga echipara umurira echi natebe ichiparanchiro chide chia national government lakini akano lero kono ole tractor igo lakini okumuna kibono le ese pali ko na national government kia kuliyoro chipara chia chiri mulengete mwa ai ibere isa to igo chiete doro lakini chimile kia mirega chiale tabara ba bikiroro mu gabi ku para igo chinono ko murwa chirago kono ibinteka birebyo na bongo yoronga biboro
igi emere makorete ni yatarakora ni riere na kene riere mena
bon emere ma ko tra te bon sa ya asene ko ku ya kege kuba ni rianga onbishi umugabana munda lakini gasiye kira mu riero itis ndora para kora kasi ndora mayana chichi basi na sura kama kitara temo chiche on county chiche ka county government chichi aiwe aba msiye bande ba bakajira I don't know that
asese mayaho oroche na uwa kusiku komo kunya mu government county ya Kisii ngubwata ntrama kana siasa
anene mono kira ngorigere linje se mayane munda okay no amakoso kare ngororo itoranya leke arenga amakoso a family ya amagaranga mo especie ke tuli amagara yeme na bono muro mwabo omubwatire omweko bayemete egende ka injira ka bideli yo materia egnige ntugira ko wasorobudi naba chief aba clan elder event banka basuru ba magara tasukadaria tasukana sinde bona bakasinde di maria sakete mali tare ngende koleta bijangie ya
njire Nyasende amangana yoroche wako siko komo konyo mu government county ya Kisii ku internet yo matondo basa mangana siasa
ndega tabango bara ibwensi bi ni siasa Senate because okimunda ni siasa kyagarire tali mangana kanisa siasa katurantira naro igo siasa na byo tumekubiyana nde tumekubobe wasokia munda kato kwa na mangana embande wikiri sio cha MCA June ward kato kulegera ngera bara musana no mugavana semi yake menga yakurumaga kuno musani kabisa kana jiru muntu okeroka ndagata kwa tabanga ese moya Senate ngentana kwa neraria ndwaro jomo yeshimiwa sibana sio sorkaro eyira magoso lakini kana roche babo kigen mugadivokati wa tabanga no oyo gale pato basi nere ne loya tigango akolega siega tukeke batirete kwa bichangia ndagata kwa tabaiga siasa ya salire magendero engane kwa bonya mangana gosenga gasi na kori chuni buya ngeringa egento sio cha korete ngeringa korero mo Gusii gasi kara kurusio mondo romo kurumi yone gentekia lakini tigato ndo babwango okora chigasi chaise ko tutike chigasi araria cha nyumba ime igorende ndaito gukebeka byanga ise konyarekana egente kiabete Kisii County tekebe exambekia asomo Gusii yes
iganse mu yao nkora basene toko boko asemino bakorete kumugasi komo konyo mugabana
basene tamba ba adoption basene tabona gabango monya gitari ko kwerera doctor mu murwaire nera kora bana ko murwari na ndeto nya ko murusio ndagete ko kebeka ngeringa akeregendo gigete senate konyo chikuru cha Kisii County mheshimiwa Monda kanyachikura chinge cyarenge shirina gendo akabu ndato kebeka nga gendenge cha kereti nsalia tabiye konyo ya chirara nakukwana kwa yes
ntwaro cha sebunge garia ase senate Dennis Misati oyogote bana na ruwete chibesa siringi chimisana seto ocha Monda erinde anyara gukora kyanyara kuri kwemirimo eyo ataite engineer
yes
ebunge senate ekabori Dennis nina kira abanga nina kyo busuku bora abanga naki ekerota to minarache akana mangana yate bana chibese gekora munda ate bana chibese chi atomeretwe nigo chiarengeri deni asengencho isemis yumisatio manyene bono ariba gotwaro bonchire no bwamate bwimena ngekegima omuntu omwibori ochiro atebire inche eritari yake narwete oyo no mwana otebire eri niri yake yarwetu kuna yo mulingo le siasa nekira kwa nengane yo
engane yo ndate batabanga isa Dennis kero kende gatwale tekento ko kasembati ojaso mogavana Kisii County amini mo dibiti gavana osogati ogo difa ko liya wasata malingeria nganya Dennis kwaro chali abantu mba koleta mangana mange yani amarigana rengo generally nabotamba samariga koba nabokora tiga mangana lijiko simbati ngo cherenjere kameneri
igono tebena na maberagerete abasena tabanga bagaka chikura kumurusia bisi munda
ndede kebeka
ya ko kana kisimba tinjarenga igono maberagerete
ndede kebeka umorali endo moshinga Japheth yakwana na injendo chenga na keroja endege ngeri kega na sekuzike abone kega se public domain ende kikio mugavana koba imbijide kuetera lichiko bakachakere assembly ya Kisii agakero chikora akabu kekagende senate lakini akarege kuwa ngana mange gachakete kuruka ngana ngemetene kaoniri ngana ndo mwana omwa omonda ngana nagaitira nabakororanga omane njana gaserichiko yonga enjera bage chachete yaringe boronge cyabata mangana mange
tore na mayo mushimiwa
yes
asenseme omwana na ise korwa chinkwa anasere kubwata egina to kwanere
egende kyo nega kongwa ka sense mayane kiagala kola nge bwato bwamate kwa imemono kero kende botabe ke twali senete anyo tegento kiarenge yali gerete bati kurumbaga mangana manga bisire
mushimiwa chachi obwamate katiyo omwana na ise okanire omwana itabire nekyora muri kirege
nje na jo kwa na moralia ase ingire point ingire wati yaba usiba itoiga ase toi kire bono ikintu chika chia bono iga Kisii County ne taba Kisii County yoka ne yaba chi county chide chospi ase tayo visiora soe osoe wemeremo onye to kurwa chire ese chiko facilitate at least ba chiusuke ike gwango geto onyo regas ya
igo ngiona kwa negoro ye ngane iso mwana no mwana
okay kati ya iso mwana na iso mwana no mwana Dennis na Misati the father Misati and Dennis is the son
yes
abanda babere litanga lito ko basagarita to basabere patwaro wa matobia number 2 Dennis yakata ya chira na tumete of course atana era kwa na tumete na ize iso manyeta to mwabo manyete era batena mwana ona taranje tara ko nyala bese chinga naiga cha are ko ndo bakaria kero pendera nyala na ya magana na lima amagana na lime abisikaide atara so kasaba nenji bya tosai Dennis ne gasa koli na iga tona okay ora ngana la police wale motete ngajire ko police wale motete
bori
squeeze na ole kila baskari ba koli ko jero monta ko no mugondo ori eningo ya yonsi oikishira eru ya sita omwana yuno ko boska boska iyo mana so na bere
tinda rana bego nyaka ntimanye na mana
kanere egaki igwiko tuski tukwana umara baso umara baso tukwana rungega abana ngo iko bari ko boska na den twara bara kibintu bikoru ekera bakora kwinjire kabire ibyo wika amakinaro nindabona njye taki makina kineje echaye ko romo ndaki ngore chaye kakineje na arabutre sukaiga
andi
kiomwana
ikongo itabira nuri nama yana kibaze njirure asase manya so kurigire maga yo kurigire ngane yose
okay kibaze kiro njirure lakini tari basi kiro ma haki ali tari na ma haki ile sota gore taki gangu gento kanya raiga on faiteri na engineer ge
what if asomo saurio tanyare kurukende ke karigire kwega sanda na some ekyara konyeke
in fact estu ikira bona kiabona mwana te yorali kwe categoria maraga gayo posible na ngona waka deputy governor Kenya East ikira bona ika abantu ya bakwa egwa sijira bona na tubona una tores kai aya tugate kende tugwenda ku asike daiga lakini tumanye saburu omuntu bobo tena ya tambe kesi piasa bya ikongo kosindo mwana oyo era singenjo algo kende step by step ta yira bwa bwango di munda kadike amwegas nani gasi yiri sara kuligira abantu baitugas
ndageta komenta sense meyo
umushimo utacho komenta kati yo kururi yake no yo kwa kururi yake umo bwata mamocho
ndade okebeka ino na kinada to kwanera in fact mwago walia isa Dennis no mwako monena na ndiliso yani rara kwa de bindeping endo ga ndada to kwanera bia asenge nje bindure binge bibisira na nde na bora kwana ndoke umisomondo ekenda de okira direct to senate iwango premier senate ya chageta ko impeach ya omogamo deputy governor Kisii County patabwate process boronge yale ko bekuga ekera yale kunyare kananga baikira senate mondango bari mbijiri asa Kenya iganeri jiko no manyeto morage karo kururi yake utakere ko bwato tima tiko karabona ngetambo kero kia serikali yairi asa Dennis misati egende kiama ko tamba ko ja saize na teto kwana gende ise garo muntu mongaina isakaro kene gata gata Ndizi watiga kana bese yarueto karo kero manya after ko imbijo ko mo deputy governor Kisii County abiko nyare kana umujana ko regendo kiye umwana ya bwato yes ikolende asa bali bakorengera ya critical thinking tegata bata banga kururi ya kiori kwegas igota kero ko bwato nyambo na se family mo na petoracha abo mo na rabota ikendons ibanga isata de kwegere family yae nyore mo chimigo yo monda obairo botaka yes eke kolamba kwana esaruni neoniri abintu binde bingi ekara dange saruni neoniri alene senate ngotakande twakora mangana investigation boronge wetera mangana EACC DCI basara katiabo kiagera kwa mangana akira criminal kwanza kwa sababu imeya serikali wetera okobwa tuko mwana Dennis onyaka rweta makia nekera monde neraga nyitakora ndokie aiwe senate ikolende kara dange saruni neoniri ntima jinga abari ko kwana senate mbabu ate evidence nga esarune yone tuwe egere chibes chisane chisane chikora nduke monda ko amulike gasi ntima itinga mapatano yale ngo ase sarune yonire
ngeko Dennis msati ate na wate copy agata chigari na esarune na ona chibes agete ana chiabeketari
yes
ama patano bali kitino yaonereti jarengo
ikolende to bana kinata kwa de umaralinga iseno mondo mongai ate de kwana ngende ke to sabanya sainga aranya mangana boronge ngeringa kururi yakikenya oli kwemeramo onya qualification njiro monda gotwara nakero ko likwenga gasi ngakinere kwika none ko mushimwa kwa na karo kende bandu ko bali baza bali ko basigari tali mangana no dore Kenya ndoro chekene to Kenya o mani basa ngore guchira dare nyo nyo siasa to kwa kana ande nyona matanga to ko kondo kwane nyoto bwa tikendo kike ama kigara ba kanisa igo mwako liga bata wisdom yali aju no kwegere family yae nyoro botaka bwa beiro bali ruchibese na munda
igobono ase moya okurikireria kina kikiagerete misati agakana na ria kindiruri
yes na kiki sokora kwana
oncho murigene nganto kumurekera mono asobime ono senta kwa county ya Kisii Onyancha Achochi asolende erega tebeta wapstein tali gwaka kura yoko mosokia wosijo kumutigari ya wisi omokonyo mu governor asese moya inane kyuranyiri uru mwana siasa
bia mo sana si ko le tena le SMS ega to yekuonire ande mono omo senator to Kisii County Onyancha iya bakandi ko mapema ebarengeria ase okorigia ikirogekyo bugabana amo ebarenge patie yamo yasana na bamunda na simbarati abamoto ya toto ekiri barengamo bakandikuru bakanyora ekere banyora kirokende ekinyoranga amagana asoite imebono ekero toto kwanda bano na monda ekeraji kubona namagenderero tugenda kuja akokorwa natakire gokorwa enyora na simbarati ngiro gaba na tutubanje nainde ina tari bo ga bindi debite komate ona era akasuka kando kila basuka kando bakaba abantu bale yotonya toto oyo munda oyo no yonde osoro sibano osoro wenere mo senator ito Onyancha ekera basuka kando igedegeka bagarada mutya bari birera nainde ucyase simbarati abantu atwaba mu nakibabo wonjokera bachire ya hata opposition babona kera baje no mata baje sibano so skifu kibwe sibano so wara jona asenze ayora na baina lesi ono oria karana otigerewo biga ona gasoa amagana ka taba buya ono ogotaka kwa chikura aria senate ase oyo minto omuske Onyancha iyaro kantenga nande abete muno ebot fata abete tato mwabo abana babira abakubuna oraberu ikimire diga yabo igomire tinga katia gavana katia monda ona karanga njekira ta kogeji monda ta kogeji simbarati tigare katika tino moiboli o era bawe ekiagerere n'umuntu orabe umuntu igamboye na muntu kana kweba akubana tsina ditisiko akanye nera bawe n'umuntu bwensi nakita tena ki era natubite amaskani yae kutaka kura
igasa sema yao ubiya atarete kura
ekurambe yatage
Nyasende
yes
ashima
tegata banga mo senator Onyancha akorete kintu kitanya koba asekanya iga ande gaorogetie wisdom yali aju aorogetie kenta ba senator busabara batakeroka asaba gusiba batabanga muntu tanya meni ngwanya muntu tanya goitera
numete ne senator na rote betegali uyuba igoro musubati kurasa ngoro Gusii akagachigusana ase nkwane lyabegete buna ama ene ekero omurugio ya densi misati babere for 12 good years batabwati omwana the second born maega yoko nchiba siri baruete chiayire oburito buri bukaro ekinenga tukiare tama beba se bunge tokarora densi misati kakolera ote abuna asare yabere umuchando ase familia yae murugio ye babere for 13 good years and 12 years also korigio mwana bataranyora pono maga yoko nyora na mabagaje egasi ya iriru muntu mwa irwe kerogo mukaye oburito bukarwa Dennis misaki akaragale sibunga nominated senator asebunga uwe goro kwa songora Gusii tokaraka ko tone ngane yo ya moga ya chirie akarokana kako gikeri mono omokonyu mu governor ekauti ya Kisii engane yubu na ye omuringorio siasa anamonekera tokoligereria omo senatoria no musubatu ko Gusii naende andake ugikeiri mono agakora gyakorekana
tegata banga anenga tena ke kwa naiga kelinga kendo kiabe atari ase senate judgment yabe atamalia kelinga naga kongwaka ngikiti ase lichiko boronge simbateo yalenge igoro
ngana mabera mangaroka
nakina kwa nanga kera konyoro monta akorera ifakiti abantu ko bagochenja nyone lichiko batanga ko alitiga mondo nago saire oise ko servona iga ko ser on the court dikiri tukulia judgment akarengo jigosobose judgment ko jigokoro ochoro ne wirija abo jajara ligiri nsubwe myake mingi lakini soko jango kwena torebia igorende ntatawata egento kiabate senate ngianya ko bakenya iga ani tingari ani gusibona ya sate tia record ekenegente gatanga ni history kiabera se senate enjire bintu byaka bya senate eba mix tia mangananga amangana serikali amangana akatesi amangana siasa igorende muburukano ole ngororo akora ngora take time na akora amangana manga akoriraria aya na bisegeta yes
Ntutara na so mushimiwa Achochi. Nkwatogia egetambukiro kyo ichuni MCA aso ikingania se bunge na kumwa ase gwikira kwa kwisiko. Omoko nyu mugavana uyo kabire bono Robert Monda. Igate betenere emeroberie menge nemekutane menge egokore na mutonto asatari kwarigani. Agataya mangana ya bwatete siasa. Ngore ngana ko bakengani yosokututera.
Iyo nabandanye okoboko. Kiagera mangana gasire kukwoneka bono narara kwanekira even before impeachment.
Yes.
Ngeringa siasa ne nyingere ngaite na kwane ngana yatindere krese gya chagete karo kinga mane yudi ne kwate interest ya Kisii county azimene kwate interest ya wana utakere kwa manyanga mo ishimi wana ro mugavana simbala to Kisii county na ro the deputy chairman ya ODM Kenya ngima iya koro kinga na bali chinguru ngende ikaro kenekera ga chensema ya gento kike ya UDA wese wakara boronge wese bunone nkwana musubati wimelepo ndonya tutakwana linkelinga ese kwa banga baimbichirie Monda eragara usianga ngamnya ke boso nge hale boso tibazira pa tegenteke nkelinga ndata kwana asemotonta iga baka batu wale evidence na motonta iga ndata kwata banga fast reta wanja bakorere amanga na serikali aralia office ya egavana mu jobuwaye iga kwanda bunomogen nande tubwate bintu bikiro kene karo mura imbere byakore kanobis no tuwachire mase Ndizi TV na wanda chenkwari kanikali tukwana mangane meta karo kene ngomo gondo kare gento kike usimbeke nyongende igorende tere wale ne kizingisio wale kori kimali kiro munda kori genjera karo kene ra mofefe aroka ngambi yale badia so mane mbali ngomo chana noro mona Kisii county na nderende nyo mondo so kama osokare ngororo siasa ke bucheta Kisii county
Siasa ne bucheta
yes
Mheshimiwa ngira nagocha sole andake ngwite brone ngana yo mokonyu mugavana uyo kabire bona Robert Monda buna andake amangana yega ogwa kwa isiko siasa asawata yabuna kwa tukawata yaba asasema yae emenyege menge iga korekana enka yo mugavana motonto yakwera obisi hagate obisi elia kwenta ko sono konyu mugavana alia se chobisi county iga innovation wakaere chobisi se stadium lakini mugavana tari gukora mejega yaye se stadium ari sobisi yaye igakonya korra nkaguoy araga teba siasa kumuno
iria mono sana ase point kwa isiri na indeka to kuligeria maina sama ine tilibia aye wachorirwe koba egotfata ye yenkega na inde anene mono all machines uchireke buo na baga inje tingu wanje tizo ntwanja ine nje naye na we wachoriru ntwanja nje naye onyo warenga team ya access buo ikonga siasa nile asa ibinde tatukuriye buya nata what ni tetukura sema kete perondi ne gaita ira kera so sema
asama mochayane abekero mokonyu mugavana we county ya Kisii ndiri yokote bana maene na korete ndiri atakorete
Edina tera edia korete indiria omurari indiria korete nga receive chiresa atamaite nga abekero matego ose chibese chiga na kichiarenge nchiratia na ndo Kristo bwae abo kumita
Kristo bwae na kibo kumita
era ko tuko maene kwego yani ko tena kiyaya na rihia enchirega ombwatirege ndikiga onkonyiraria baki omate okay misati na Monda abana abantu bakinambo gutira na ende bono arusinywa enchira akokorige akobako ara kukubatira umwana we nibo ya yabwate amugwakeri amanyorera simushya
toro chari antu bakurugo site na public participation in yakorwa basari abantu bakwante gore basari na mbaete Monda chibesa irinda bayi basari Nenya rekana chiba sanchirure aso monto konyara kwa we basari aso kurigirira kwa korenga no go site uri wabeke tase senate
na beko nyarekana ndata batangenge ndokia mangana chipase nchipato mochanda yore Nyamira county njiri free and
asa sema yana beko nyarekana una chiba sanchirure
na beko nyarekana
onya ma tebeteiga uri ore ko kwana na goteba na mana kandi chibesa ina Monda na musabete shiringi chirwe 200 asa chiko we basari Nakiko nyarekana nkobori buno mwana siasa watawe na bekonya kichwa sanjirure. Nakiko nyarekana orwe dia kireshiringi chiribu 20,000 owe pasari ya 10,000.
Itakateka taba oyikara kendo rote chibese ejo. Tabwate mwana omo. kose nseme ya mangana serikali kuri basari ko tora abantu to kwa middleman chiproka mundana abana ba ikomi o fight yali obis bande ko bangete raini wetunga onero bono bata abana ba bata to ofan babata whatever ndado kebe kabyangelinga ase Gusii yaitengima timati sema jonga kinga kibakora manganande chipasari bijanja akora bijanja ko rubia nyanga saito Nyamira oyo ko 200,000 egera iwe pasel tata ngo no bakora ise ko banga na haruete chibase echo
ngekogera ago tebega sabe 20,000 akaru 8,000 kolanga ne clip gyaje to senate
yes
na sabe 2020 kolenda ka omo governor koboko 80,000 hawe basari
tinga gere tiko sinene alekana alezi ise konya gane to kabwate serikali bwate vitengo binde ngalende mwana kwa kusoma machingo aita na beko alekana nyino mwana maybe school ni jimiro ni chitakeira lakini onye na mangana secondary kawaida tertiary colleges tundi ni basi nyingi kwa soko batalia
ni county ya Kisii ni ngolo ngoro jibasari umakonyo mugava ngolo ngeke jibasari ngira na soro cyane kono kura second
yes
umakonyo mugava ngana ngeke jibasari
umuntu ngoro jibasari no mugava chenda directed to the MCS MCS kasi MCS ngo kuligi abana bali kwa jibasari mari se wodi yaya egavana edoligi iko tido chinga asinaro mo David gavana akubwata chibasa usafu chipasa
nikikunya kana kilipo kego cha sasa senate umuntu watera na eteka mo kunyu mo gavana nane elinde amurigere basari
igabo uburogo chieso ke toligere buya siasa nere mabuse mangana basari sino mo gavana kurwa through the MCS ngende te magana na nega David gavana ajere kala
mheshimiwa
gendo da menda abune kam ese ko banga strict regende nkaranga abantu ko barama ke banyore chipasere yoli mo jano ri Kisii county ese ko nyakana ngakaro kende una wanende bakana magano basikari abaro bakonkuri ko banyora lakini ko kwa rebese boko barais igo onye mangana amagi akare ko Kisii county mo ndanyore pasere tata ko tabinga karo kende ko nyore pasere Kisii county mo jano no remi iwanga njiri kure go borone chitakeira iko aite mo ndakaru bese amanya kwa ndike
yagera umusaiti na rote netega ndoro che clip kego che swali iko tabuna na sabe tuchibesa gete aibe basari
lakini ina setup ana spia so kanyora kero kene mangana to kwana tali mangana media arona bako ba recorded lakini asama patano makanyo mo nabo kate be simia recorded mondo ni gatomira tata batanga kero kene mondo gali gwe miaka mengi senje mangana siasa yes
right bo jumulgira ndo tubwatu ko tena semeli ya YouTube bali maganda to kubwatia abego ni jumbe ndoka ndata ko soma ntuko soma jumbe chino ko mo chumulgira asisi miyane gaiga asesema SMS bali bantu to mo jumbe chiabo gaiga semeli ya Facebook asante sana Ekeumbu Juma Ekeumbu kiga ali tukweliga liya Jumamosi tusangama neto kwa na mange pana mangagenda neto ko boliwa tutarachi kurwa sengane yu yaise amono mwana ngwate bana isani gabe to muntu mungai
yes
asoko taka kwegerenga ne andako mwana ye tacha kubatu kuchasa matukamusi nere byo kono bulimu waso kwane kana kiko sibore mushimi
lakini rende ndata kata banga ise kra kwana ngaise oino mwe boli ko kwanira na ande botambe kero mwana agosire baiboli mbanya gwanjera na banga ngo sambwalenge ngako banga abono ise ko sema mu mwana to ikebiriti to koru kebiriti no gerenge nyumba igolende ndata ko kebeka byanga so maina ise gata te ko gero mwana ko sire bo siding abaza njiruli ekiatare ko na because evidence igari champesa ndata ko kebeka nga ise kunyana kana bono iga abantu bakebwati abantu berichiko semeyo no engineer nyasana ngo imoka ngende kote ai kote ngore ngende keke staki senate staki EACC staki ne family yo kurukururi yake so wedere ngendo bunegyo nane nyiri to bate egeta ngo kene mebianga mondale ko genda abako bwekino
ekora mondo nabwata matuko go ikase ai court anya ari gukana okona cha wesinto nto kumanya naki weekend na maene ayo kase ase ekegambi yo kana cha kwa
ndado kebeka byayiga batabanga monda nabako bwekino yako nyara kana umwana na bwatere ko Dennis ko ruli yake monda tare ko bwakina igonga serikali ko yesa montri ko nze memo mujano no ase senate mujano no ase serikali ne FF serikali ra kale tanga ki monda ka bere mbijiri katutike family yentaka raisi yo
Watera wana toyo ndomo tumokomoke tokero mo nchumu nsanga mange tukwana mange ase biro bitari bitambe ngato kwatumira mu bori yao ngochanda ase getere kietambe kurbono tusanga mara tukwana mange tegere boygo goro wa matu wa Robert Monda abega na semeri ya siasa me county ya Kisii anamona senga neye ido bori tomono goro wa kwisi ko mokonyo mu governor be county ya Kisii oyo kabere ase zemetoska kwena na sekeke kerebosi
Peak Uniform and Sports Center niko bakoroisha na koni chiangabuna chi t-shirt chiri cha round neck na chiri cha collar t-shirts nkoni abale chi sweater t-shirt cheme kone minge na chiri cheme kone metambe nkoni abale bitamba byo kwarabulire na birya byo gutuntuba emeito nkoni abale chi tracksuit chi pajama cyo kurarira emipira yengoyo y'amaguru amonelia ya netball nkoni abale chi socks chi jezi chitai cheche skuru asebo iko bagokora embroidery nkoresha bale chisweta aseba kubeka amaliko yani labeling boigo nkoroisha bale na konye changa cha KMTC egatiyo bakorera ibonde ubunge niko bagotoka asamagacho abaraka building imeyumu cho Kisii ayu ali angene supermarket ya Shifling ugose nabo owakira roof esimi wetrasi namba 0720398360 Peak Uniform and Sports Center.
Eduka ya Himani Traders and Distributors nige konye binto au bigotumeka ase chiskuru amone chiabisi ase rigori ya mabuko ebyo bakonya ase nchira ya wholesale na boigo retail ngonya barechi calculator ebinto bigotumeka somore mu bwesabu buna geometrical sets chirula egatie binde staplers ebitabu byogosoma na boigo ebyokorika chi dictionary chi files chi rim papers paints and modeling clay chi tapes chi manila papers chi register chi aina au chi notebook chi kalamu chi pencil egatie binde binke boigo mbabwate chi stamp pads net file chigotumeka ase chiabisi laboratory apparatus mbabwate buna chi microscope na boigo chemicals emepira na boigo chi net chigosori nchiraroro batarere ase duka yabo eyo gotoka mbarabare ne chiabisi cha NHF angenega taseni kya mabuta ye chigari kya Rubis goseki kya manyekane tebunda Kobil asamanke na bokubanyora wetrase namba 0722946444
Team Himani.
Gusii bono eduka ya obwanjete ya Enokem nigo yakoretero bokoreri bwaye gisiri na muno banyore asoro sagerwa boru yakegima orore imechi nsamo kiri cya yogo mbarabari na yogo primary nigo bakuru bokoreri buna burya bwo kubatoka chimbego go cya setugo yani artificial insemination asokwe nyorera embego iyo irageronyore tugengiya insira iyo boigo itali gwakona maruire ayirira natalira eduka ya Enokem yo mu cyobusongo iliko nyorera amaryogo yo gusyalira bimeri endagira neti supplement chetugo amaryogo yo gusyalira ekenyambi chimbusuro amoyo ebicucu byogotuga egatia yanda mange naboko banyora imiyo mu cyo Kisii asinumbeli ya Kenyoro Farmers Cooperative Society iyira angena market plaza boigo urusegerunde nigorore mbarabare na Shell petrol station imiyo mu cyo Kisii iyo yakarukiru Falcon Station boigo naboko bakira esimi Enokem Agrovet growing healthier future one harvest at a time. Ine kwa berugo kuriye chimashini chingia echura tumeka semirimo yao bono lichi buliao na lieli eduka ya Gusii Star Shop ibyo gotoka miyo mu cyo Kisii nigo yakoletere chimashini chingia echo chikutumeka segeka aserigo lirigiya nigo bakone chimashini buna bono chikinga chi electric motors chi generator air compressor water pumps chibetri demolition breakers submersible pumps welding machines chimashini chogosona, car wash machines, electric routers, diesel engines, lawn mowers, total tool and machineries, chi engine egatie chimashini chinde chinyinge. Batalira seduka yabo imeyomo cho Kisii. Aseba alinene kuruchinsamu cha Kisii kogenda Kisumu. Asama gacho Gusii Plaza, ground floor, room number 6. Wigo, urusenge runde nigorore angene bengi ya Family Bank imeyomo cho Kisii. Na boku bakirisi migwetara stinamba chabo. Gusii Star Shop. Nidu kore gene, asoko gule bintu bikutumeka sige kege tambe. Asiri gulidense. Ajereda.
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi omwanchu muliriye bwa televishoni ya Ndizi TV mbiyamona sukoira chinsa chao na kuliriye televishoni yao na mbeyemo yomunwa mweke Gusii bono onye kubwate nganende yonsi yokwe murungania wosokomenta na bogo toikera ase gutwakire simi ase namba enotisano na ibere inyesato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo gose otorikere riukorike ase email ya ndiztvnews@gmail.com boigo na bugo tonyora ase mitandao yaito buna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya Facebook, YouTube nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na boigo TikTok nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na bo ogututarira sikia bisichito ekyo kirebo cyobwechiro ya embassy ekeroko genda nyakoe ase bara ekurwa Kisii kogenda Kisumu. Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Mpendwa msikilizaji, ni Daktari Mama Nakaima, daktari wa mitishamba, daktari kutoka pale Ukambani. Kliniki yangu ama ofisi yangu inapatikana pale Kisii Nyamatalo Junction. Nasaidia kwa mashinda kama bile ugonjwa ya UTI, kisonono, kifafa, tumbo inakusumbua kila saa, kichwa inakuuma kila saa, miguu inakusumbua kila saa, macho inakusumbua kila saa, na upande wa kizazi nayo nashughulikia. Yani wenye wanapata mimba kama zinatoka, mwenye akona infection sehemu ya siri nayo nashughulikia, mwenye hana nguvu ya kiume nayo tunashughulikia, na upande wa ndoa yani mapenzi tunashughulikia wenye wametengana na wenye wana yani customers kupitia biashara yao nayo nashughulikia, na mashinda mengi sana. Kwa maelezo zaidi ni 0757102581 0757102581. Karibuni kwa kliniki.
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Deputy Governor's home on 28th of May. Apart from the business of giving him money for securing the job vacancy, did you have any other business?
No.
Have you ever been to the Deputy Governor's home at any other time?
No.
What then does your presence mean against the defense of the Deputy Governor that it was a repayment of the loan?
I was the owner of this all initiative. I was the one who was looking for employment, so I was to be there to witness what was going on.
Thank you.
Because this was my money.
Are you aware if the Deputy Governor ever transmitted any money to the target of the bribe?
Yes.
And who was that target?
The director of Gusii Water. After sending him the full amount.
What is the name of the Managing Director of Guasco?
Her name is Lucy Wahito.
Lucy Wahito.
Yes.
And look at the document before you. Yes. Honorable Senators, I'm looking at page 99 of the DG's response. Page 99 of the Deputy Governor's response. Is there any money sent to that very person, Lucy Wahito, the MD of Guasco, on that very day?
Yes, there's a sum of 100,000 Kenya shillings.
100,000? Yes. What time was that money sent?
It was sent on date 28th May 2023 at 9:24 p.m.
9:24
p.m. Yes.
And what time had you sent the money to the Deputy Governor?
The last transaction I made at the first transaction I made it at 8:33 p.m. 8.
Then an hour later he sent money to the same Lucy, that is the MD of Guasco.
Yes.
The very company where you had applied and were shortlisted, yes, for a position.
Yes.
Now, the Deputy Governor says that that money was sent erroneously, but interestingly to the same person that he was meant to bribe. What do you say about that?
I don't know what to say, but this was that transactions, but I actually believe this was a bribe so that he could.
In your previous discussions with the Deputy Governor and your father,
yes,
were you aware if Lucy Wahito was the person who was meant to be bribed by the amount of money you were giving?
Actually, I did not know the name, but I know it was going to be given to the managing director.
Yes.
Now, who happens to be Lucy White.
And to be Lucy.
Yes.
Thank you. Did you ever secure that employment at the Guasco company?
No, I didn't.
You did not?
Yes.
Did you make follow-ups with the Deputy Governor or your father, making an inquiry over the same?
Yes, I did. We made constant follow-up through my dad, the Deputy Governor, but we did not receive any communication.
Now, Dennis Mukaya Misati,
yes,
your own father, biological father, your mother will tomorrow appear before Senate and they will label you as a liar. Why would you want to go against the statements of your own father? Why would your father be lying about the purpose of the money sent to the Deputy Governor?
Actually, this is my life. That was my money. This was my lifetime savings. If my dad chooses to choose friendship over the truth, then let it be so.
Thank you. As
are you done with the witness? Because it's breaking down.
We can pause for just 30 seconds. I'm sure he can recollect himself.
Sergeant at Arms, kindly take care of the situation in the public gallery.
Can we proceed, Mr. Dennis? Kindly tell the honorable senators what is the current relationship you have with your parents as a result of this.
Actually, I don't have anything against my parents. The fact is that this was our lifetime savings with my family. We have built this. We had built this business for the last 13 years. Now, this was our opportunity to sell the business and get something that we could help the family. But we lost everything. After I lost everything, the parents at home became unsupportive. So we had to leave our home so that we can find somewhere where we can start all over again.
And how did that affect you as a couple, between you and your wife?
Just hold counsel. Senator Boni, what is your intervention? And just to remind
Mr. Speaker,
senators, you'll have an opportunity to engage the witness. So I hope whatever you want to raise has got nothing to do with seeking clarification or asking questions.
Mr. Speaker, purely on humanitarian grounds, I was requesting that you use standing order number 1 to allow the young witness probably 5, max 10 minutes for him to recompose himself. You can see, Mr. Speaker, sir, the witness is completely emotionally eroded.
From the council, the witness is doing pretty well. That's why they're proceeding. Otherwise, that application can only come from the council, not from you, Honorable Senator. Proceed, council.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I urge the witness to gather courage and proceed. Mr. Dennis.
Yes.
How has this ordeal affected your family life between you and your wife?
Initially, my wife was not in agreement that we sell our family business to relocate. So I had to persuade that she agrees with me. We shall get better after we secure that job. So we agreed, we relocated to our home. So after we were disappointed, after we had not secure the opportunity, recruitment was done, people reported. So it was so stressful. My wife did not take it easy because he branded me a liar because now we have lost the family business. At that time, my wife was expecting. This was after 12 years of trial. My firstborn is 3 years old now. We had tried for all that period, but now she was expectant. Actually, during those hard times, my wife miscarried. Just miscarried our baby.
I can stop at that.
That's it.
So the whole blame came back to me because initially she was not in agreement to sell the business. We got into much stress and depression. I had to look for a way to sort out this issue. We had to leave home. We had to look for elsewhere so that we can start over again, as I said.
Thank you. Yes. You have also made allegations against threat to your life. Kindly tell us how that is the case.
So after I knew appointments were done and actually there's no job, there's no vacancy, our savings are all gone. So I actually, this one of my friend I've been following on social media, called, by that time it was 2020, I've been following him since 2020, 22. Now he was now the elected MCA of Ichuni Ward. I actually approached him. I inquired if he could help for me to secure the money that I did what I gave to the deputy governor.
And that is the move of this motion?
Yes.
What did the move of the motion advise you to do after you brought this to his attention?
So when I reported this to him, he took it as a joke until I provided the documents. He requested for the M-Pesa statement showing the transaction. Actually, I did. Then he advised me to make a formal complaint so that he can follow up with the deputy governor for my refund. Actually, I knew.
Kagetono aweshimiwa marora aliagenda sebunge. Korocho omusayo densi misati abareta na sebunge. Koeresera na kina ndanya orete umushimiwa siocha akamoeresera nganiyo. Inyirabuna musayo tali kurwa se ward yaye. Ngira ntakira sori umushimiwa. Musayo tali kurwa se ward yaye. Nki kiagarete siocha nakamukenganeye konyera sebunge ya county ya Kisii no musayo igakorwa se county ya Nyamira.
Ndiamo sana sikubuli swali kalio andena mono eketokuligiria ekirenge kenda mono kia Denisi kuligia omushimiwa
siocha
kuligia wodi na so kagera ole resisi bidero obwiri mboro wodi ya iyo munyene yo minto na Denisi nero romo wodi mu wodi MCA bwe wodi yaye na arengo gororo arengo genda ikwaye so fanyole point clear lakini akachelewa chi wodi chosi pure chosi piti baka chibogira as mo smio siocha of which kira kwende na kideke bonga ingana ndi arengo gororo so bwiri mu arengo kagala akalishoja sucha kagala ndere move akira
asebunga ya mushimiwa Sobwango
yes njege ndonda kwa nengelinga magasta yarabu kakora mubwati transaction ya M-Pesa kibase kisodese mya monda gara deputy alenge yo kafere deputy governor ya Kisii county kana bama sogati ikolende omonto takere kubwati ngane no monto korwense maso monto yo olieta abakibasa arwete ayere juni ward ko se Kisii county general wala netiro jima kosaro kenta karnengelinga ba korere gento kyalenge kyamana.
Okay. Tsara tukanda tambe umugabo no be county ya Kisii impeachment yatarachi kwanda sebunge ye county na tabeti ya baranda na pastor buna ngane iyo na chikuburi aba MCA wanyetige kolene terro kanetino umugabo na kolete ngane iyo ngiora kwana gako na abolete na kiaba MCA barate ngane iyo lakini takoletibo ntomochu mugaba na sogo taikirania kira lireta abaranga yakora pasta mbali basi bakomerana agatera chikuburia ba MCA baratigake enganiyo
asokora kwane kolinga monda naye we chance na governor himself na ba lenient as a deputy oye monda ngelinga monda gabo motindi ende na bake bwatire bakengana yakwane kanga ba MCA bokamba chiete kera de monanga akange sabu toikana stukwana mangana abato kwabera na jira chindi ko se kunyara kana bari bako saire obaire ndi basi chapo ngelinga akere ba yanda bakege itakia mo deputy governor ngane nero na public domain ngelinga monda ba tabeti astengoche monya question ya time yanda na simbo ino ngane nero
Iko omugabana na rigeti kore ndi mundo taikira ni tikore ngana buna atakira kore
mono
mushimiwa
yes
asense mo yauro cyo mugabana na ganeti aba MCA batene ngani yo kore ndi ntoro chinga ne kigo tenna ya chiri mako bwakiro siko oro cyo mugabana na maega yo wakusiko kwa mkojo mugabana
mbia mono sana omugabana yo simbarati na temete gukwendera ba bishop akaba na akabariire ira akabatelinga
nguchiale
gotene kwendera lakini kanyandikana oyo minto nere deputy governor oyo munda akaimuka okay Kenya kwanza yakite mpaka mwa yalia
lakini namo kosa Kenya kwanza kwa boy
tenemos kosa kwa boy eke uno Kenya kwanza yanda boy yalia wabo tubate
Rex of Osoro na bara yabande
ndo baikoro no ende igente kikabara kiaruma ekabana na ndire kiyo moyo mintu nagwa ko libiege mo ndo yo iga tuli consaito bale to kole gasi ente to amo twenzi wai na ende abo position na ko ali serikali ya Kenya kwanza ya swara ko wo iga katuro bo
igonto tebena etaro yaba meri barati ko gendo munda neye moye bintu birise gete to kwa isko
okay da beko nyarikana asinge ncho kira kuligeria anene muno alina into ba siasa na kira kwa roya opponent yawe yachire osi ya rura le sekete kuresa me ya munaria omuntu ole munaria irani muna ati ujugo sama ngingi okora kora lebo igona abo imozondi ale koro
kento kenda menta abungelinga omuraria abasani nababe ko choro musane gotarane nanda se bindo kala byonse bite ko uniform babasani monda gatwara basani abange nanda obale veli baba kwa serikali ko amba bon para basani ba serikali enen iko kero kenda akaranga kata sie gavana utakora kento kiek igonga na ba abasani ba ya banke chingaki ake baba msie ba Kisii County nyono mo gavana oye ko sabo kwabera
taraga ndatambe tigato igwange nkwana ya mumuromu abo monda Robin Monda ase bunge produce ya nembe kire kura nseme yango muligiriri tonera ligiriri na ki ngara manganale ngase nsemelia maega oyo muromu abo monda that's Robert Monda no yo Robin Monda koko taigwana kwa roka nega kinyera buna tari ntunde yabe ntangani mutatu ko igwana monda rabete omubunge kaje ko mu governor umuromu abo ikarokana iga koko boko umuntu geto mungao oyo tari monda igoko bagekana uka ngochage tigoro muisonde aso wakwa isko trewe ngana yatuma kwena tokwa ngana hiyo
he could take a seat if he's not able to stand.
Of the Deputy Governor, Kisii County, Dr. Robert Unsare Monda.
Does that then mean that you are the brother to the Deputy Governor?
Yes, Madam Speaker. I'm a blood brother, the immediate follower. My brother took care of me when I was young.
You say that your brother took care of you when you were young?
Yes.
Do you understand what brings you this evening before the Senate?
Yes, I understand what brings me before the Senate. I've come here to seek for justice for myself. And I've come here because of the harassment and the mistreatment that occurred to me when I am very sick.
Okay. Okay, allow me to perhaps lead you once more.
Yes.
Do you understand that your brother is facing an impeachment motion?
Yes, I understand. My brother is facing an impeachment motion.
Do you understand the consequences of the impeachment if it were to be held by the Senate?
Come again?
Do you understand the consequences of this process if the Senate were to impeach him?
Yes, I understand the consequences.
What are the consequences?
One, in Kisii County, we shall not be having chaos as we are having. We will not be harassed the way we are being harassed.
So you understand that this process will culminate into him losing his seat, yes?
Yes, I understand.
And are you ready to take that path as a brother to the Deputy Governor?
Yes, I'm ready to take it.
Mr. Ruben Monda, have you come here on your own volition or you've been compelled to appear before the Senate?
No, Madam Speaker, sir. Madam Speaker, I've come on my own volition.
And to that effect, Mr. Ruben Monda, did you swear an affidavit dated the 21st of February?
Yes, I did. I saw an affidavit.
Again, did you swear that affidavit voluntarily or you were compelled?
No, I saw the affidavit voluntarily.
Sorry, Honorable Senators, I think the sugars are going low. That is page 257 of the bundle of document by the County Assembly. I'm so sorry, I beg your pardon.
277.
257, Madam Speaker. You find the affidavit of Ruben Monda Orangi Matundura.
Yes.
I refer you to paragraph 4 of the affidavit, where you say that my brother, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, has had a rough relationship with the family since acceding to being the Deputy Executive in the county, including treating our octogenarian father with exceptional contempt. Yes?
Yes.
What exactly do you mean?
I mean, he has handled our father, an old man who is 94 years old, in a very bad way. That made me, because I was at home, to cry and tell my brother that you can treat our father like this.
And are you saying that this is a behavior he has acquired upon assuming office, or he has always been like this?
He changed abruptly after getting that position, and he started mistreating everyone.
Look at paragraph 5 of the said affidavit, where you say, I'll assist you in reading, that the Deputy Governor has since then ensured that there are at least 5 county officers stationed at our home, performing not only manual jobs in the farm, including but not limited to digging wells at our compound, feeding dairy cows, an aspect I strongly believe that is not part of their job description, but also spending the night in one of our father's house. Now, I put this question to you. Do you live in the same compound with the deputy governor?
Yes, we live, Madam Speaker, we live in the same communal compound with my brother, the deputy governor.
So while living in that particular communal compound, are you able to see what happens in each other's homestead?
Yes, Madam Speaker. Because I'm sick, I stay at home all the time, more than my brother, the Deputy Speaker. I see what happens day in, day out.
You speak about 5 officers. Are these normal casuals, or these are county enforcement officers?
Madam Speaker, these are county security officers.
How are you able to distinguish that they are county enforcement officers or security officers?
Madam Speaker, they come on duty in uniform, a green uniform, every day.
It is your statement, therefore, that the enforcement officers do odd jobs for and on behalf of the Deputy Governor, yes?
Yes, Madam Speaker. they do that, and I'm an eyewitness.
Would you describe the kind of the jobs they undertake? Other than feeding the dairy cows and digging wells, is there anything else that they do?
Yes, Madam Speaker. There are some who do the lawn mowing. There are those who dug. In fact, they deepened an existing well for our brother when I was seeing.
Look at paragraph 6 again of your affidavit. But before we do that, you've said that, but they also spend the night in one of our father's old house. Yes?
Yes, Madam Speaker.
Who are these who spend the night there?
The security guards who come during the night. Once they finish, all of us report into the compound. They go and sleep in that house.
Paragraph 6 of your affidavit, Mr. Ruben, states that my brother, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, has made it his business to ensure that our home is an extension of the county, wherein he dictates and, in misuse of the county officers, has his way. Since he came into office, there has been at least 5 working in his farm. Clear demonstration that the Deputy Governor is misusing the staffs of the county. Do you confirm that he does misuse them?
Yes, Madam Speaker, I confirm. And I can give explanation how it happens.
Please do.
For example, Madam Speaker, on the 20th of December 2023, my brother, without me knowing, because I was splitting some timber where I wanted to plant some more trees, without me knowing, his wife came to where the fundis was splitting the timber and called him and told him that I had cut their trees. And then my brother came without me knowing with about 20 security officers, county security officers, and about 7 national government askaris to arrest me, which shocked me. I could not believe it. So 20 county security officers plus about 7 national askaris from Ekeumbu police station. Without me knowing, I was shocked and I was arrested.
Did they tell you the reason why they were arresting you?
He never told me the reason. He just told the askaris because he was the one who was leading them to the shamba. He's the one who was leading them to the shamba.
You mean he was present at that particular time? And
yes, Madam Speaker.
When you say his one was...
He said, we didn't come here to argue with anybody. We came here, Askari, can you do what you came here to do? And the Askaris told me you are under arrest.
Which Askaris told you that you are under arrest? The National Police Service or the county enforcement? Whom was he commandeering?
He commandeered the deputy OCS Ekeumbu and also the deputy.
I'm asking between the county enforcement officers and the national police officers, whom did he order that you should be arrested?
I repeat, he told the deputy OCS Ekeumbu and also the deputy, I think is the deputy for the security officers.
Which security officers?
He told the...
Which security officers in particular?
I think I've said that somewhere.
Yeah, you know, we have two groups here, Mr. Ruben. We have
that's
20.
what I'm talking about,
Yes.
the two.
Yes.
I'm differentiating between
Please
the two. So I'm saying the deputy,
We can assist you to read the paragraph.
yes. Forgive me, Madam Speaker, because I'm unaware.
But just to refresh your memories, Mr. Ruben.
Yes.
We have two groups here.
Yes.
We have 20 county enforcement officers.
Yeah.
Did the deputy governor command them to arrest you?
Yes, he commanded them to arrest me.
Thank you. Now, what's transpired therein after?
Council, you have 5 minutes.
Yes, I'm just about to be done.
What happened, Madam Speaker? I was harassed very badly by the Askaris. I was taken to Ekeumbu, and at Ekeumbu, I was not given an OB. I was not booked. And then after 3 hours, I was taken to Kisii by the Askaris from Ekeumbu, because it looks like there were some orders which were coming from Kisii Central Police Station that the Ekeumbu Askaris rushed me to Kisii. I was rushed to Kisii, and then I met the OCS Kisii, who failed to give me also an booking. I stayed there for almost 5 hours without being booked, but I was put to sit next to the cell on a box, I was told, that contains the ammunition. So I could not understand. At some stage, because I was very sick, I requested to be taken to the hospital. And when I requested, the OCS accepted. But reaching the hospital, Kisii Referral Hospital, I was again, the OCS commanded the two Askaris who took me there to rush me back, that there is a letter he was to write for me, so that he allows me to go to the hospital. When I came there, OCS had left, and when we tried to call him, he put off his phone.
So you ended up not getting treated, yes?
I didn't get any treatment, Madam Speaker.
And have you been charged before any court for that offense?
Madam Speaker, I've never been charged in any court.
Did your brother reach out to you during that particular time?
Madam Speaker, up to now, he has never reached to me.
Do you have any evidence before this court in terms of photos that you'd wish the senators to watch?
Yes, Madam Speaker. There are photos which can be explained.
Can we have the clips Madam Speaker played?
Technical team, can you run that?
So we can begin there. What is happening in that particular photo?
That photo is when I was put in the Land Rover for Ekeumbu. I'm being, that time now, we have reached Ekeumbu, and now I'm being rushed to Kisii.
When was it?
Central Police. This was after I stayed for 3 hours at Ekeumbu. Now, orders came that I should be rushed to Kisii.
I can see, excuse me, I can see a person hanging just next to the pickups, I think, door, yes? Can you see that person with a brown shirt?
Brown shirt, yes.
Was he?
I don't know him by name, but if I get him, I can.
Yeah, but what is he one of the enforcement officers or is a police officer?
That one is an enforcement officer.
From the county or from the national government?
From the county security team.
Where are the rest? You spoke about 20 of them. What happened to the rest?
The rest, Madam Speaker, they are the ones who collected 61 pieces of timber from the shamba to a waiting lorry on the road.
Who commanded?
And they are the ones, when we arrived at Ekeumbu, who have loaded the vehicle which was carrying the timber.
Who ordered them to do so?
It is my brother, the deputy governor, who gave them instruction to do so.
Do you think, in your own opinion, if the Senate does impeach the deputy governor, you'll get yourself free of this intimidation and harassments?
Council, you know your time is up.
This is the last question. If it's stripped of all these powers, will you continue to have the harassment coming from the enforcement mechanisms of the county?
It's my hope and prayer that he will not continue doing it. That's why I came here.
You said there was a video that was being that was recorded, yes?
Yes.
Could we, Madam Speaker, as the last clip, see and watch the video? And who took these photos and the videos?
Council, how many more minutes?
Only 3 minutes, Madam Speaker. Who took these videos and the photos?
Most of those, my brother came with the media.
Yes.
They are the ones who took that, and they even broadcasted what transpired on the TV, the local TVs in Kisii.
Those are the videos. What is that? Where is that place and what is happening?
That one still, we are on the way to Kisii, Central Police.
Have you been induced by any person to come and testify before the Senate in this matter?
No, Madam Speaker, I came on my own volition.
Finally, should a government officer, state officer, or public officer use his powers in that manner that your brother did?
Madam Speaker, I came because of the harassment and the abuse of office, misuse of power against me by my own brother. That's why I came here. I want to get justice. And the justice that I want, if my brother can be removed from office so that he can come to his senses. And I'm praying for him so that he can even see the kingdom of heaven.
We're sorry about that, Mzee. We're so sorry for your deeds.
Is that all for this witness? Is that all for examination in chief?
Yes, Madam Speaker. That's all for the old man.
Does he need time before cross-examination? Or is he able to take the questions in cross-examination?
Sorry, Madam Speaker, he says that he has only one more issue that you want to state. And granted his age, I pray that you may grant him only one more minute, Madam Speaker.
Madam Speaker, since that time, I felt sick. I was brought to Nairobi Coptic Hospital where I stayed for 3 weeks and I spent a lot of money. And I am now on injections. Right now I've done 3 injections. I have a 41 to do. And I have so many drugs to take. I'm seeing my life is in danger. That's why I decided to come. Because he has mistreated me many times, I forgive him. But this time around I said I must come on my own volition. Thank you, the senators, the honorable senators, thank you.
Mr. Ruben, you'll be asked questions by the Council for the Deputy Governor.
Council, I'm on the mic.
I'm sorry,
Yes.
Madam Speaker.
Where did he fall sick? He said he fell sick.
Yes, Madam Speaker. Yes,
I fell sick after thinking very hard for almost 1.5 weeks of what transpired. And one of my brothers came home and he's a doctor. He took my pressure. Me, I was fighting, thinking that it is only my sugars which are bad. And my pressure was reading over 200. And they told me, you are very sick. You have to be rushed to hospital. That's why I was brought to Nairobi.
Mheshimiwa engineer abego na uchachi nkaite na mwigule ngana eje oyumu muromu abo monda Ruben Robin baterende Ruben to sabo kwabira Ruben Monda is immediate follower nero kubwati Monda that's Robert Monda igakubwatiwa na muromu abo oyumu arega abo kolera akata yakuruwa abwatwa na arwarite kairu nyagatari na Nairobi hospital sindani yako betusato na watanga foto wanche ndatana bitu korera sebunge timatina ntwarara dense misata yako rasebunge twarale Ruben Monda yako rasebunge nchini ngira kwane ngane
Tegate aba birero na roira igachinsa machons elina rere the most terrible senate ya tuarete ndaru kenga diplomatic kento kebwata mabera manene yani usinyu understand because yokoranga negento kebwate mo rehabilitation kebwate mo criminal sokoro mwaka muno yo Ruben ore brother to Monda okora na bare tojad and okora nyombo na bare under medication yorende tata wata familia ya Monda kwa chumura okora na relationship te teringia bo mate mboli boronge kiyo yakora to bututukano kido na ndekiara to bwoba
ntote bake ama vera na mayanda na mabe bakole kata se bunge ngere taba sana tanga bakaka chukura kumrushia bisimwa
lakini hata watabanga aserichi ko burunge yakogera mu murori ya Dennis sokururi yaki bakwane tenga na abuga tuko senachi ko bwato lakini bakarusio bakaimbeach Monda ama vera gabe ketenge kaganda direction ngao
ikona mabera agerete otherwise bale kubwatia kolengana buna mangana wantu kubwati kwa unataka kwandaka
gendo babwatia una senators sympathy ya both parties bali barweteri yake amone familia
ni familia
ya Monda
ikona mabera
na mabera
mushimiwa no ngana yo kabakona na mabera aligereretigwe Monda ga kubisiko
anena mono eto batanga asi aba kwenda abagitari senate was people Dennis na babamu abo tira akana senate omusajja gocha kolerase abasajja bande bali gose simada mali goro oko wanyanga nega abukorera naye ende kuruma yagera paka liyenda lyacha kwenyura
igoso bwenge na mabera gerete igogo tebana isente kwa titikole ngana nilichiko tebwa tichiko
okay kulikana lichiko lakini mabera nale ngoro
igogo sente ya bwati sasa moyo nilichiko sana mabera
lichiko babwati
lichiko ya bwati awada na mabera babwati
mabera
tali mangana somo jumbe birista ka baligiria bali baka usangamo na intro sana Charles Munali Onyancha kutenza moja milimani kwa bishop ni Kenya building in Kenya bribing is illegal. Why can the boy face the charges of breaking the law? What can you say? Nkimumura atabwatie na nalichiko lyokubuna anamona so kurwa amangana yaki. Vincent ekanamoko gendesa bali aye pamoja no mwana both of you knows the purpose of the purpose here sabali kolende keroyo mago kana bas eyue kworokia konye tibali koigwana igo ose tibali gwana ini igoro ye sabali eyo Robert we will go through the court of appeal. Munda will go through the court of appeal. You know, mudi kilo jumbe. Leo, niliambiwa nipeane 500 nipewe basari. Oyo ningo. Huyu ni ako karibu na MCM. Huyu ni area huu. Okay, tonte beti ngo korko. Agote bale na sabu siringi 500 aywe basari tonte beti ningo. Right? Ini jumbe omo ligweta likire. Elo Ndizi asanya junior tiga tukwa na maene ga Kisii County omo governor twachorete ara akora mamocho ara akora mamocho tonyare kumurusia bisi una abwate aba MCA bonsi no na kiakerigete kindago tebende tiga tukwa na maene ga Kisii County omo governor twachorete ara akora mamocho tumanya kumurusia abisi tumanya kumurusia abisi don't know why yene na likiro jumbe yo region sare abana abange bali ruchibesa mono na ba senator na nigo bakolete buya tani mangana Ndizi TV Nyamira okwande buya oyo George tiga kwegerera obusaria don't know sariki burakire ndegati ya ujijumba chigante ko chagabo tianga tena sema ya Facebook bwangu toko chikokoro mu chimbo chanda smole yes mbali ba tumire ujumbe chiabo gaiga tigandikire liga oyago tebana nsema ya Facebook asante sana waje niangalie ujumbe mbili hapa sengencho yechinsa wachana na muonda kule kiburi yake Duke Kenyaga na bagote baigo omocho korbu ayata mora kuronsa mocheru watching you live. Senator walifanya kazi nzuri onomochokoro bwatai George Mironga asante sana hata ba Achochi na kubwatete Kennedy Okongo Monda was misled by Osoro Donya Momoima and Japheth wachaende nyumbani ni jumbe ya Kennedy Okongo hata Monda was misled by the team ile team Osoro Donya Momoima na Japheth Achochi Dominic Magabaka tebana I'm watching live from Nairobi pipeline but I'm from Kisii County. I support the impeachment of Monda. Let us say the truth. Sante sana. Lydia Mose watching live from Enkinda Itibo village. Sante sana. Dennis Mbiamono katia banda bange pali kiro jumbe chiabo. Singing chinsa chiadre. Ngochi okora to. What if ngocha sorry? What if engineer yes. Monda taika se court of appeal? What will happen? Watu kuna EACC? Na weko nyareka. Family watu kuna EACC? Ntakata kwata ba makosa Monda coding na mangana to igorabo na ndo natwake bwatetie abera mange na ndo enkeirwe na rego saba chebuna engineer Nyasende kuri Nyamira Monda tagenda wa biri Monda ligenjera ya mapema asabo kwabera asaba inga umo ya asabo kwabera Monda tigaja se familia ya kwanza asemo muri mwabo itira amusabo kwabera iskorenjera mumuru mwa bakwa netali na tabu adimangana tari tiyari ko mugambikina yawa danga Monda tiga aigwete bya Monda bere mbiji aje back to the senses chiae kero kene nyono bogi magwaka na kara kore ndokieka yo ngo ino mokeresto eseme ndegali ya Kisii County asabanyali bali amini abantu ba Kisii County bonse ndakata banga Monda nataka yasabo kwabera Kisii County ni chumura anene mono asomo muri kero kende abwateteri yake umanyete Monda agotebere ta eturi yake na kiyo saba mabera asengenya semo yae lakini tuma turigire ganto kerega obo saiti muri bwaru etugari sikorige chikilipi chibwatire chibato semo abantu bakwane lakini sikorige chikilipi nchira kora it a single individual otena segeto kwana ama mocho nato ketorate bana abantu mbale batebe tukwana again take kyabere more complicated unabona kala konyora kure family obwatu muntu against na na bakonyora na yakwa berako nanda wapi atika sikilipo ichi abwatu tu muntu arasiketa agokwana lakini hata ba lakini nyareka na abantu ambate betu mukwana njinta tabata bayo mujando lenge Kisii County ngimwaeli onyalenga ngamonda wasareti Kisii County bona muntu akale ndokieka Kisii County bana yabere bia lakini bula ntatore ni libulia ntatebe na bantombale batebe tukumukwane kana lakini hata tabata yakora na kiro na damanga gente kemanga aba kwana manga mange akora na bugate drama chinyinga na beko nyara kana abantombale mheshimiwa it's a yes or no question ninyarekane abantu mbare batayoti kumukwana kolenga ni script twaroche osaya
nabe ko nyarekana
yasa mushimo to jokora ninyarekane abantu mbare batayoti gu bono ndatu mukwana ika ko chibiche chene to chumuntu gatatanera bieka asege tese koligere magaya muntu tayi ninyarekana abantu mbare bakoche tigwe bagatebu ntayito matebe garagara
okay nabe ko nyarekana abantu bakochiwe asegentio onyara yikire sinyo yo korusemo de bitikana okay yeah
yasa
Gentonda mentabo.
To chokora ibirito bya chire.
Gentonda te komendabo ne kamo. Asokora kwane. Na mawo ko wenjera nyone spirit ya negonde. Mwako mwamondolera okutali kolera. Sokora kwane.
Oyo
Ruben Munda. Nyone no ori Dennis. Okoranga banta ba mbate batwa mangana. Yes.
Moi kali mokole.
Yes, okutali kolera. Kolende no kobeka white. Yase ko imbichi kwa
nebitaka. Ningu mure nasenga nchinsa. Njakira naye mushimiwa ningoroche omugabano we county ya Kisii arachiko charo no mukonye gara bata matuko 18 acharo mukonye
okay kero kende tese bateba mwabono mu deputy governor oyo yebo imbichidi munda no pati munda aisiko bataenda high court osikero kende ta aenda tabua na ndira nenka nebe gitire ka musana ase omugabano Simbarati ochora deputy governor as a Kisii County. More especially in China, you go address yane, which and never get Simbarati. Ekiroge kiarenge as a Nyalibari church. Akiraba kuri chikura. Mba na nete section mbali mbali. Bari Nyalibari church, everybody masaba. Basi bakabo bakabana. Kokenda kokenda. Wono kuruiga ekatobulire ya esiku yakara mutai Nyalibari church na ndura usukoro. Okay, nabwa kinguru chuko twara eri safu. Korere kinguru chuko twara safu. Gusii Nyalibari akikiro kebo David kiranaria kirane Nyalibari ya masaba osi Nyalibari church.
Okuno kwa ni kwao. Ngoro cha kwenda kwa kuna sema hiyo.
Okay, kuna sema ya yikurende ya
Chibunge chibere. Nyalibari sasa Nyalibari masaba.
Tubwate na for example tubwate kenadinaro tugatwara Kisii bichakenaro.
Ngoro cha kwenda kwa chora sema hiyo.
Yomo.
Ase okay yo singima. Umuga kongere zainde.
Umuga kongere.
Ose kesuka.
Yesana. Umushimiwa. Ile yoro cha kwenda kurusubono umukonye kuru. Asa kuligana sema ya siasa.
Njenda takata.
Kero kero Nyalibari.
Takata baiga. Tigare ne kero Nyalibari. Iyo kayo.
Yesana. Washimiwa mbye mwana soeka gaika ndo chibere to byachire. Insenda gagayemo kwanengana ya mutoko chukoko. Igoro jobo kore bwensi kwa serikali county ya Kisii amuro bore bogosi.
Igoro na josa serikali ya Kisii county na mono omusi tutwara masabo ochiase county ya Kisii na inde toko igwera ibintu bito batebona barayi baito bayibora na to ba is time batokora chigasingia ase ground ekire kikero gato bakete chikura batokorera gasingia yakorrekana
ntokwa na mangase ward level mushimiwa engineer kwana ngana ya mugochi ase enka ya Ruben na Robert nenka ya Misati asobwamo isano mwana taboiko na mumuru mwabo moyo Ruben na Robert asobukora
njenda tabata baiga chi family chi Johnson ibere tigata tabenga kero mondana bato mojando monde yore perfect kero kene monda nabwo ategendo kyare como drive okora makosa yonse tigaba bere monda onsi ko egara magandra asko bose yes isano mwana ndakata ba babuga ategendo kalibia kagatenga deni yabate yeresiko nale gosaba umweshimiwa Simbarati nyore national government serikali ya romano olia emwega sinandete mubwata karo kene tamate ngata yakora
yesana umochi mulikiri bono asinga inchebi yambye bana bashimiwa so usangana into asemaragoba yabono wekira bono ngoko rumuro buli asengana ayiye maragoba yare ngana mwana tutobere tokuligeria andake amagol natigare togoikira bono munda atacheti ase ekigambero kia court of appeal acho kwane ngane ne EACC ni mubeke byara Dennis Misate asokoruli yake ekogera na akoleta mamocho ne EACC ne mutadire na enda sentundende oyo kabero mukonyo mu governor Robert Munda maiga yokaguli yake ene senate yakoleta nsema yabo EACC ne chikokole nsema ya ethics and anti-corruption mbacho commission mbacho kokole nsema yabo soko abeka byara ababere na boigo ine Misati no mwana wa Dennis uchibosia na kibara chiko twaro bwa matebole mbai wane kwa semba ko iwana anye kunyarekana mundu uchirenka naki nke gochi okonyaka naki Dennis agochi okonyaka magaya mundu wako isiko mundu uchirenka naki gose Robin Munda agochi okonyaka ingati amo boriande turabato kumurekera nakuja bugatia anye kunyarekana buna omukonyi w'umugavana uyu kabire Robert Munda tagochi kwenda asikigambiro kwamereria wako isiko kwaye buna omukonyi w'umugavana we county ya Kisii ayo tosange ikigocha nkole kingoteba engana ye mubuna karogo chora basani bachole n'ubungaini nainde ngole kingoteba buna tali kire sesere nchara obwenta ko endagera erora endagera eigote ekorume tali kire sese ere nchara ora endagera erora nchara onye endagera eigote ekorume ngenchi yaya tomera n'ikigo cha somero Ekeumbu retene Vincent Onyancha.